Hey guys, today I have another LEGO creation to show you. Today it's another LEGO pistol. It's not based off a real gun or anyone else's gun, this is just the gun I made. It does have a working sight, can put a silencer on the end of it, like most of my guns. The barrel is different to my other guns. The trigger, same thing. The handle is different compared to my PPK handle. The reload thing is different as well. Has an ejection port there. The mag does come out, and it reloads like the machine pistol of Black Ops 2, the Cap 40. You just pull that back, and yeah, there's the mag. And yeah, the sight, like I said, works. So yeah, thanks for watching.